Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gopal Verma. Today I'll be showing one of my new projects that's made with Python. It's a simple real-time object detection program that uses machine learning or ML and haar cascade classifies in OpenCV. So let's get started with it. So this is the whole program, which is quite short. It is about 34 lines and quite simple to understand as well. So starting off, we are importing the OpenCV library, which is referred to as CV2. So this library helps in providing function and tools for the vision task. Then we have is putting the har cascade classifiers and declaring them and loading them. So there are three of these pre-trained har cascade classifiers. They are made by OpenCV. They are pre-trained ML models, which is quite useful. It's not as accurate as other ML models that you can use like YOLO V5, YOLO V8, and TensorFlow, but this is quite fast. So there are three of them. First we have is for detection of eyes, face, and upper bodies. Then we have checking the classifiers, which is the empty function. So if anything is failed to load, then the error message is printing. So this was quite a problem that was coming to me again and again, that this har cascades were not being loaded. After using some conda and mini conda and declaring some files, and then I made it work. Then it uses the program video capture, initializes the webcam. Then we have the object detection loop. So here it is. The object detection loop is this. It's a while loop and it's quite simple to understand as well. So we are processing the frame by doing the detect multiscale function, which is used to detect faces in grayscale frame, not in colored frame. Similarly, eye detection also happens using the detect multiscale function, and rectangle shapes or box shapes are drawn around them. The upper body is also using detect multiscale function, and again rectangles are drawn around them. But the upper body detection is not as accurate as the face detection and eye detection is. Then it displays the result and exits the program. So this break uses this break one of CV2 wait key. Basically, you're pressing the Q key on the keyboard and it exits the file. And here is it working. We can run it and the file should pop up soon. We have to wait for it to load. So it has popped up. So you can see here it didn't work. So basically it's currently getting confused because of my specs. So let me remove it. So it classifies between eye and face quite smoothly. But if you're using YOLO V5 or any other one, it would be a lot smoother. So it's a bit glitchy as well, but it can still detect at angles. Now the main problem that comes with haar cascade is it's fast, it's efficient, it's pre-trained. But the main problem has got to be it's not as accurate as other pre-trained models are. So this is my whole project and thank you for watching.